Hi! I'll show your toy. Ito yung toy ni Max. So, we'll try kung magaling si Max sa math. Ano po, okay?
Math.
Yes, sa math.
My toy is fixed.
Your toy is color yellow. Sige. Max, listen. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equals...
55.
What?
55.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Nanay, pahiram nga ng calculator, nanay. What's your answer? Plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. The answer is, look. The answer is 55. Wow! 55 is your answer. So guys, yung answer is 55. Tama si Max. Yeah.